So the second runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023, goes to contestant number
16, Sunny Jai Jai. Yes, that's you. So Brian, can we please have you on stage along with the check?
So Brian, are you anywhere around?
Come on, audience. She's your second runners-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023. $25,000 goes to second runners-up. Congratulations. Thank you, Ma'am Rochelle. Thank you.
Stand back. We would like to invite on stage Miss Jessica Olivet Karluki. She was Miss Meghalaya first runner-up 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give her a warm round of applause. And the winner for the first runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023, goes to contestant number... Louder. Contestant number 13, Miss Larisika. Miss Lamikar. A very big congratulations.
All right. Before we crown the new Miss Meghalaya 2023, let us give a moment to our reigning Miss Meghalaya 2022 with her final work. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Irene Dakhar. Thank you so much, Irene, for making us so proud. The moment of truth. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me an immense joy to announce the winner of Miss Meghalaya 2023. And she is Stella!
Contestant number 10, Miss Stella Kongsney.
Stella, our new Miss Meghalaya 2023. May I please request Sir S. Marvin to come on stage to hand over the check to the winner. Congratulations, Stella, the new Miss Meghalaya 2023. Thank you so much, Irene. Congratulations, Stella, and all the winners. You may please take your final walk.
We would also like to invite on stage the winners of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023. We humbly request the winners of Miss Teen to kindly come on stage.
Audience, these are your winners of 2023. Miss Teen winners and Miss Meghalaya.
Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm. Just shake smooth like a